Do you also feel like you are trying to improve your English, but sometimes you get stuck or feel slow? Same here. I'm not perfect at English, I am still learning, and honestly, I'm trying every day. So, today I'm sharing how I am improving my English, and maybe it will help you too. So, hello English learners, I am Neeraj from Buxar, Bihar, and today is day 18 of my English speaking challenge. So, today I am talking about something very simple. I am trying to improve my English. I know I'm not perfect, I'm still learning, and honestly, sometimes I struggle. But it's okay. I think many of you are in the same boat. So let's learn together. For me, for me, English is important for teaching, communication, and also confident. As I am a teacher in a school, so that's why I wanted to improve my English. I don't want to sound like a native speaker or something fancy. My goal is just to speak clearly, speak confidently, speak without fear. Now I will be honest, I still have few problems. Sometimes I know an idea, but I don't know the right word. Sometimes I think in English first and then translate to English. And sometimes when I speak fast, I get stuck. हो जाता है कभी कभी. It's normal. What I am doing to improve? Honestly, simple चीज़ें कर रही हूँ. First, I speak daily, even if it's just talking to myself or talking to the camera, because ultimately or finally, speaking is the main thing. Second, I watch English videos, not just only movies. I watch English vlogs, English lifestyle content, any speaker. So listening helps a lot. Third, I learn 2 or 3 words per day and try to use them, because using is more important than collecting words. Fourth, I record myself, because camera doesn't lie. Because when I watch my recording, I can see where I get stuck or where I sound okay. And fifth, I'm trying to think in English, not 100%, but small things. Like while making tea, I'll just think in my mind that I'm boiling water, now I am adding sugar. This kind of small practice really helps. Okay, now I'll practice a little bit. I'll just talk about my day. So today my day started with tea. I woke up around 8 o'clock. I don't like rushing in the morning, so I take my time. I made breakfast, and after that I checked messages and planned my work. I also recorded one short video and edited it. Editing takes time, but I enjoy it. In the afternoon, I had tea again because I am a tea lover and tea is really important in my life. Now I am recording this video because I want to improve my fluency. See, nothing fancy, just daily life. You can also do this. Talk about your day in English, and it really helps. If you are a beginner, don't stress about grammar or accent. Seriously, don't. Everybody makes mistake. Even native speakers make mistakes. Important thing is that you have to speak. Don't wait for perfect English. Perfect तो कभी होता ही नहीं है. So, that's it. Okay, tell me one thing. Why do you want to learn English? Just comment and tell me. I really want to know. And also tell me what you are doing to improve your English. maybe we can help each other. Also, if anyone wants a speaking partner, you can contact me. My email ID is in the description box. Sometimes we want to speak English, but we don't have anyone to practice with it. And that's totally, I understand. So if you want, we can practice together. And if you are comfortable, I would love to upload our conversation on my channel, because maybe our practice can help someone else too. Anyone can join, beginners, learners, slow speakers, shy speaker, everyone is welcome. So do let me know. Till then, bye.